let's get started. Fall is finally here. I have been waiting forever, but we're gonna make it official by making homemade pumpkin puree. Step 1, find a pumpkin. Since we are in pumpkin season, they should be in like every store. Whole Foods, Walmart, Sam's Club, Cosco, should be everywhere. We got our pumpkins at Whole Foods. We first have to cut them. So warning, this is a little bit dangerous, especially since we're gonna be dismantling him. You wanna be super, super careful. So if you're younger, if you're a kid, not as strong, not as careful, and need help, make sure you have an adult nearby. Or have an adult do it. But I'm a big girl, pretty experienced, so we're gonna gut him. My mom used a smaller knife. I pay attention. I watched her do this before I did this, so. So I got a smaller knife. Very good knife. So make sure you have a good knife that's not gonna like bend on you or is too dull, because you can cut yourself and you have higher chances of cutting yourself that way. We want the stem. I want to be able to get inside the pumpkin. When you are doing this, and this goes for anything, melons, squashes, etc., always make sure you have control of the knife. Make sure every move you make is deliberate. You want to make like this cut, or you want to make this edge. Like, you have to make sure you're doing this safely, because it can get dangerous. And take your time, be in control. So beautiful. I should have named my pumpkin. And then you just cut off the guts. Able to gut this guy, you can just go in and scrape him out just like how you normally gut a pumpkin if you're making like a jack-o'-lantern or etc. But to make it easier, since we are making puree, we're gonna cut him in half and then gut him. You want to scrape out as much as possible. You want the pumpkins to be clean. And the bottoms of the pumpkins, we can just cut out. Again, be safe with this part. I'm just going at it with a, see how it's like cut out like a triangle? That's all you need to do. And cut this part. Again, we don't want the stem, but we do want this meat. So now, what do we do with this? You don't need to eat it. Just throw it out. Or if you have chickens, chickens love this stuff. Let's go. I got a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and we're just gonna put the pumpkins on the sheet pan. A little piece from the top, put them there. We're gonna flip the pumpkins upside down. Ta-da! The oven is set to 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook this for about 40 to 50 minutes. Well, you stayed and watched this entire video. Now you know how to make homemade pumpkin puree. This is technically my first time making homemade pumpkin puree, and it was not hard. It wasn't hard. Again, in the beginning when you're cutting open the pumpkin, be very, very careful, ask for help if you have to. But other than that, the process is actually really, really simple, foolproof, and it has a great reward. I think I'm gonna make pumpkin muffins now. If you want that video, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Comment what you think, comment your thoughts, comment what else you want to see from this channel. And I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Your pumpkin is not gonna run away with you. Your pumpkin is not gonna run away from you. He's gonna allow you to cut him. He's gonna allow you to... That sounds terrible.